Profiting on Binance, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, requires a deep understanding of the volatile crypto market and careful trading strategies. Here's a concise guide. Educate yourself. Learn about cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and how the crypto market operates. Stay updated with news and trends. Research. Analyze different cryptocurrencies to identify those with strong fundamentals, active development, and potential for growth. Trading strategies. Develop trading strategies based on technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or a combination of both. Consider day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing. Risk management. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. Set stop-loss levels to limit potential losses and only invest what you can afford to lose. Diversification. Spread your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies to mitigate risk. Use tools. Utilize Binance's trading tools such as trading pairs, order types, and market indicators to make informed decisions. Staking and yield farming. Earn passive income by staking certain cryptocurrencies or participating in yield farming. Initial exchange offerings. Participate in initial exchange offerings launched on Binance Launchpad, where new projects offer tokens for purchase. Leverage trading. While potentially more profitable, leverage trading is risky and can lead to significant losses. Exercise caution and understand the risks. Stay informed. Stay updated on regulatory changes and news that might impact the cryptocurrency market. Security. Prioritize security by using two-factor authentication, keeping funds in secure wallets, and being cautious of phishing attempts. Practice and learn. Use Binance's demo trading features to practice and refine your strategies before trading with real funds.